Alright, what's up first? If you guys hear any like clicking, it's because my GoPro mount is the case is broken, so it vibrates. I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. I could buy another one, but I hardly use it. Anyway, so the last video I think I've made about my car was the GoPro mount. That was a couple years ago. Since then, I've done the Skunk 2 Alpha header, the Skunk 2 76mm exhaust. I have gotten e-tuned by Viper. My fucking car got wrecked. Not bad. Some fucking asshole hit me on the passenger side. I just want to, update everybody, because I've talked to a couple guys on YouTube who have like subscribed or started, I guess, following me because they want to see updates and stuff. So, and I haven't posted anything like I told them I would. So the setup is 1050 injectors, stage 4 clutch from competition clutch, competition flywheel. It's like a 10-pound flywheel, I think, or 15-pound. Pressure plate. I'm not even gonna attempt to say the name, but the DW65C fuel pump. I have the max solenoid from Viper for boost by gear. The turbo is a 3071 Garrett. It's a dual ball bearing. It's not the GT or the GTX. It's not the second gen. I'm pretty sure it's just the first gen. We're on a 3-pound spring in the wastegate for right now. I'm pretty sure maybe later on we'll get to start doing like wrapping up the boost and stuff like that. Right now, today, I'm going to be doing 2 pulls for the Datalog. One pull is going to be, well, both of them are going to be going in the same spot, going in the same direction, in third gear from 2000 RPM to redline, and then basically jump on the brakes really hard and then do it again. Alright, here's the first pull. We're going to jump on the brakes, third gear, all the way to redline. Faster. Sorry, car. So sorry. Fuck. I didn't mark the spot where I started. Usually, last time I marked the spot, I had good, okay, go here, but I didn't pay attention this time. Shit. But it was pretty, the road was pretty flat. Hopefully, it's good enough to compare, because that's where, oh fuck, I didn't even start the goddamn Datalog.